Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use data on your Chromebook. The primary way to get online is through Wi-Fi, connecting to your home or public networks. Alternatively, you can leverage a mobile hotspot from your smartphone, turning your phone into a portable internet source. Understanding these two main methods will ensure you stay connected and manage your data efficiently, whether you're at home, school, or on the go, making the most of your Chromebook's capabilities. Connecting to Wi-Fi on your Chromebook is straightforward. Simply click the time on the bottom right of your screen to open the Quick Settings panel. Then, select the Wi-Fi icon to see a list of available networks. Choose your preferred network, enter the password if required, and you're all set. This provides a stable and often unlimited connection, perfect for downloading large files or streaming high-definition content without worrying about data limits. When Wi-Fi isn't available, your smartphone can act as a mobile hotspot. First, enable the hotspot feature in your phone settings. Then, on your Chromebook, open the Wi-Fi settings just as you would for a regular network. You'll find your phone's hotspot name listed. Connect to it using the password displayed on your phone. Remember to monitor your mobile data usage closely, as hotspot connections consume data from your phone's plan. To manage your data effectively, regularly check your usage within your Chromebook's network settings. Consider limiting background data for apps and extensions that aren't actively in use. Always prioritize downloading large files or streaming videos when connected to a stable Wi-Fi network to conserve your mobile data. Some mobile hotspot devices also offer data saver modes, which can significantly reduce consumption, helping you stay within your monthly data allowance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.